Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis and the USD and INR analysis for the coming week. Coming week being a monthly expiry, so mostly even if we are able to catch a good trend, a good money can be made in the market. So let's get started. First, let me start with USD INR. So this is the chart of USD INR, and there is an important aspect which is forming, which is Mercury and Saturn are going square in Helio. In Helio means we are looking it from the sun, geocentric means we are looking it from the earth side. Now, whenever this aspect gets formed, you tend to see a good trend developing in USD INR. Now, we have done a lot of backtesting, and you can see here. Generally, when this is formed, the next day we see a top or bottom, and we see a good fall and rise in the USD INR. So this is getting approached, which is today. So today's high and low will be very important for till 13th of October 2021. You can see here how beautifully it made a top here and it is just falling down. The next day it made a bottom and a very good rally which is seen in USD INR. Similarly, we made a perfect top here and from there we had a straight fall. This again a beautiful top. So again, so these kind of we do a lot of research and find which aspect work, which aspect doesn't work. So based on that we make this call. So this is something which you should keep in mind for who traders who trade in USD INR. Now coming to Nifty, for Nifty, there are two important aspects which are getting formed. First is I'm referring to this book, Handbook of Trend Determination, Astrological Rule for Trader, and there is a sixth rule in this which says Mars in geocentric longitude plus 330 degrees. Here is a rule that does not occur very often. Whenever it can be used, the grand results can be obtained. You know, and he's saying that when Mars in geocentric longitude plus 330 degrees. Now I'll do the same settings in my software. I've already done these settings here. Mars in geocentric latitude, and you see here whenever this is formed, this particular aspect, see it got formed last time here, we had a good rally. It got formed here, we had a good bottom the next day and a good rally, and it is forming which is on 24th, not today. Okay, so this is something you should keep in mind. So on 24th will be very very important as per this aspect. And today what is forming today is what we have sun ingress. What is sun ingress means? Sun is basically moving. Sorry, let me open the other one. I'll quickly do it. So sun ingress, what happens is sun is going in. Uh, you have to go to zodiac sun. Yeah, sun is changing its sign. So there are 12, zodiacs. So sun is moving to, Libra zodiac. So plus calculate. You can see here. Let me mark the events. Yeah. The sun is changing its zodiac here. Sun is moving here. See, whenever it happens, this happened here last time. It made a bottom, it made a bottom, another bottom. And today, let's see what happens. So today, anyways, the markets are going to open gap up. And if they open gap up, what I would suggest you is don't be in a hurry to take a trade. First important thing which we need to cross is this high. The Friday's high needs to be crossed. So what we generally suggest is these are the levels which I'm watching out for. For Nifty, 16545 should be broken, and these are the resistances on upside, and these are the support levels. 16545 should be watched very very closely, and if it is not able to breach it, then we can see a fall, otherwise a rally. Similarly, Bank Nifty 35220 is a very very important level. These are the targets on upside and downside, and this is the weekly trend chain level for USD INR. So 74.42 is a important level, and these are the levels which I'm watching on for upside and downside. These are the levels. So I've shown you USD INR important astro aspect, Bank Nifty, Sun Ingress. So basically the plan is 16545 should be crossed today, and it should also be crossed. I mean, market should sustain above it tomorrow also. Then also the Bayes rule 6 will also come into picture, and we can see a very very good move into the market. So if 545 is held, I think we'll move back to the all-time high of 16701. And for Bank Nifty this time we should reach, I mean, if 220 is held, then 35937 to 36,000 is something which I'm watching out for. And on downside, if this time 545 is broken, it breaks 380 also, which was the low on Friday. This time we should see all the way fall towards 16252 to 16188. And for Bank Nifty, I'm expecting a fall all the way towards 610 to 313. So this is what it is. A quick recap and analysis for the coming week. I'll keep updated if any new thing comes up. Thank you very much.